All right, guys. I'm here to explain to you our new ICT Smart Money Concepts algorithm for NinjaTrader. It's best optimized for 500 tick data series on NQ or MNQ. Um, the parameters are pretty much set to default. It's been tested over months. But here I have a full month market replay. This is through the month of April 2026. I'm currently running tests on other months, but it takes more time. Um, it had 100% win rate, which is what makes it special. A lot of other algorithms they might have a 30% win rate, and yeah, they do make money over time, but they get into too much drawdown, and that's really the issue. This one consistently wins and hits its target. What it does is it shows a confluence between all of the smart money concepts, which are liquidity sweeps, order blocks, fair value gaps, and overall market bias. So it looks at the current condition in the market at the given time, and if all four conditions match up, then it enters a trade. And this is just a video recording that I did of that month that I will send over to you guys so you can kind of see how it performed. I'm going to speed it up drastically so you don't have to waste 50 minutes watching it. But I'll have it here on the left side so we can view it. But at the same time, on the right side here, I have the trade performance that correlates to this video. Um, right now it shows that we're at 4,326. So I believe that it let's see when it trades again. I think 4.6. So let's see, based on entry time, it should show 4.6 or 4.7. It started trading again. So it does it real quick, but um, basically you can see the results here. The goal with this algorithm is, instead of just trying to maximize trade frequency and try to catch every trend, just to maximize accuracy and make sure that every trade that's being submitted is going to play out in your favor. This one originally it's got a 50 tick take profit, so that's not much. It's $250 on one contract of the mini Nasdaq, but we're thinking about updating it and making a version where you can have a 50 tick, where basically the stop starts trailing after 50 ticks. But the only issue with that is that you're exposing yourself to a little bit of drawdown. Um, but you might end up making a lot more on the month. This even with one NQ with a 50 ticks take profit and a 300 tick stop, it didn't lose a single trade, meaning it didn't even hit that 300 tick stop loss, not even one time, and it ended up with a cumulative net profit of 7,000. So that's pretty reasonable. That's pretty good on only trading one contract of NQ, and avoiding a single losing trade. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna speed it up for you. You can see it's really just a full market replay of every trade that it took. If you guys know, trade performance and market replay are more reliable than strategy analyzer. If you go through it trade by trade, you're getting a more accurate look of what's actually going to happen in live market conditions rather than just going based on a back test, because it can be extremely unreliable. So yeah, I'm adding this to the stack for AlgoAI, and that's going to be released right away. I'm sending it out to current users, and if you guys are users that might not be getting help on time. I'm sorry for that. We're onboarding new employees to make things smoother and make the process more efficient so we can get back to you guys and help you out with setup and all of that. A lot of what we have here, the more we go on and improve on our business and improve on our algorithms and make things more efficient and make things work better. Some of the stuff is kind of deprecated, but you still get access to it. But just the newer algos that we have coming out are a little bit more efficient and a little bit more effective. Like, for example, we have 3 algos that are coming out recently. We have another opening range algo. So it's a little bit more refined to prevent loss. Then we have this Smart Money Concepts algorithm that had a 100% win rate in the month of April, which is fantastic. Um, and we also have a what we call AlgoAI hammer strategy, which is another algo that trades off candlestick patterns like hammers and shooting stars. It's going to be available for TradingView and for NinjaTrader. So if I were you guys, I would get access to AlgoAI by just going to the website, getting full access. And I'll give you guys a tip. If you use code, I don't know, June, then you can get $50 off. So go ahead and do that, and then you'll get access to the entire stack of algos, the account manager add-on, and yeah, I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised with the results. But the thing about the the thing about this score trade or the ICT Smart Money Concepts algo is that it's a slow burner. It's not something that you're going to get rich quick on. It's something that you're going to generate consistent cumulative net return. So your equity curve is going to be smooth, but it's going to take time. I mean, you can, if you're using a larger account and you have more drawdown available, you can definitely scale up your position size. I mean, these results are only on one contract of the NQ. I mean, you're making 7K a month with one contract of the NQ, which is good as it is. But if you were to scale up to say 5 or 10 or 20 contracts, let's say across prop firm accounts or just in your personal account, you can really exponentiate your returns without having to worry about, crazy losing days. Like there's nothing crazy that could happen besides maybe you'll get, 1 or 2 lost trades within a month. Um, we've done everything possible to prevent that from happening. And I'm really excited about this algo in particular. Sometimes you just, you stumble upon a really successful kind of ratio between your parameters, between how restrictive your algorithm is, and that takes a ton of time and a ton of effort and a ton of trial and error. So I'm really excited about this algorithm. I'm going to send over this video of me explaining it. I'm going to send over the market replay video and these trade analytics over to you. And you can kind of take a look at things yourself and figure out whether it's going to be something you're interested in and something you want to get into. Again, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but it's something that will make you money over a long period of time, consistently, as long as you run it consistently. And the best way to, gain confidence in your algorithm is by watching it via market replay or running it via market replay yourself. But again, this isn't strategy analytics. It doesn't say strategy analyzer. It says trade performance. So it's actual trades that have been taken and actual results that were received. A lot more reputable, a lot more reliable than the strategy analyzer. All right, thank you. Hope you guys gain access. Again, algoai.store. to gain access. Let's see here. Just want to reiterate, AlgoAI.store, get full access, and then after that, just go type in the code June, and you'll get $50 off. Again, this is a one-time fee, so once you pay the one-time fee, you're going to get access to all current algorithms plus all future algorithms. All right, thank you for listening.